7.35 Italian rifle. Now, there's a guy that knows my cousin that actually says, my cousin's son, that actually says he can get a whole crate of these. This is a very rare rifle. The ammunition is pretty rare too. I actually got lucky. I got hunting ammo for this thing for $10 for 20, considering military ammo is $2.30 a piece. So we're going to do, I got 2 jugs of water down there. I think I know this thing hits. I never really shot it in because the ammo is so expensive. I'm going to shoot the 1 jug. Once I hit it, I'm going to pull all the ammo out. I got to work it all to get it out. Then I'm going to put the hunting ammo in. Let's see what happens. Fibs coming to this side. Military ammo. Fibs, you aim at the one to the right. You ready? A little high. That was actually pretty good shot. I don't think I hit it. Well, it's getting expensive right here. There we go. Okay, there's only one way to unload this gun. There it is. And the clip comes out. Now, the military ammo. Come over here, Olivia, so you can see how I do it. Not the military ammo, the hunting ammo. I got more than this. I figured I pulled this thing apart so I can get it in. See what happens. Because you know what? You can't reload these because he's got this stupid damn primer. Most people don't even know what that is. Look it up. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay. Now we got a hunting round in. Now I have to admit, that did a pretty impressive job on that water jug. Let's see what this one does. Wow, it's more accurate round. Come on, Libby, walk up. I think we'll be able to tell the difference in which one was which, I wonder. Yep.
Hunting round blew it apart.
Yep. Yeah, this one just fell over. I barely caught it on the edge. Let's not get excited about how much this thing blew it apart, because this is a piece of shit round. The military round's a piece of shit round, but I tell you what, that's not bad right there. And I caught it at the bottom. I didn't even catch it good. So I got to shoot it in, but I don't have much ammo for it.